Hello Hornets! Welcome to our tutorial video all about Federal Work Study. In this video, we will go over how to qualify for Federal Work Study, the awarding process, and the hiring process. What is Federal Work Study? Federal Work Study, also known as FWS for short, is a program designed for financial aid eligible students to gain job experience and get paid while attending college. Just like any other job opportunity, you have to search, apply, and go through an interview. If you're hired, you'll have the opportunity for a flexible work schedule while going to school. What are the benefits of Federal Work Study? Federal Work Study is exclusive to students who qualify for FAFSA. You can earn up to $4,500 in an academic year. You can work up to 20 hours a week with a schedule flexible to your classes. Wages earned do not count against the student when reporting on the FAFSA in the future. How do you get awarded Federal Work Study? Start by filing free application for Federal Student Aid, or also called the FAFSA, for the current school year. On the application, there will be a question, are you interested in being considered for work study? You should answer yes to confirm your interest. If you answer no or left this question blank, no worries, we'll talk about how to request FWS later. When Sac State receives and processes your FAFSA for awards, if eligible, the FWS award will appear on your student account. Awarding for students begin as early as March. When awarded, you can view your award package in your Student Center, Finances section, under the Financial Aid area, in the Accept/Decline Awards link with the corresponding aid year. On this page, you'll notice you cannot select the Accept button. This is because the Financial Aid Office will accept it for you once you're hired for an FWS position. At least here you can know you are qualified for the program. Why haven't I been awarded Federal Work Study? Funds are limited and awarded on a first-come, first-served basis, so always file your FAFSA early, starting October 1st and by the priority deadline of March 2nd. The earlier, the better. To check if you qualify, you must meet the following. Be a student, file a FAFSA and demonstrate financial aid need, meet satisfactory academic progress. Be enrolled for at least half-time. For undergraduates, half-time is 6 units. For graduates, it's 4 units. Meet the overall GPA requirement. For undergraduates, you must have a minimum of a 2.0 GPA. For graduates, it's a 3.0 GPA. If you noticed you meet all the qualifications but you haven't been awarded FWS, you can submit the Federal Work Study request form online. Locate the form on the Student Service Center's forms page at www.csus.edu/ssc/forms. Essentially, use this form to let us know your interest since you weren't awarded, or let us know you are hired by a FWS employer. Keep in mind this form can take 1 to 2 weeks to process, and it is not a guarantee you'll be awarded FWS. Searching for a Federal Work Study job. Handshake is a student job platform for you to connect with employers looking to hire part-time, full-time, or seasonal jobs and internships approved by Sac State. As a Sac State student, you automatically have an account on Handshake. You can log on by going to your My Sac State account, look at the right side column titled Student-Related Links. In there, click the Handshake link. You may be required to upload a resume when applying for jobs. Federal Work Study jobs will identify with the keyword FWS in their job description. Only these jobs are Federal Work Study eligible. Tip: if you need help building your resume, preparing for an interview, or using Handshake, reach out to our Career Center at careercenter@csus.edu or phone 916-278-6231. The hiring process. Please note you must show confirmation of your Federal Work Study award to the prospective employer. If hired, it's important you let your employer know if there's any changes to your FWS eligibility. When hired, your employer will notify the Student Employment Office, or known as SEO. You are then responsible for completing all required onboarding and payroll paperwork with SEO. Once you complete the onboarding paperwork, SEO will email both you and your employer an employment confirmation notice. Once you get the employment confirmation, it means you're officially hired and can now start working. You can work up to 20 hours per week when classes are in session during a fall or spring semester. Federal Work-Study hired students can start working the first day of instruction no earlier, and their last day as an FWS student is the last day of the semester no later. Review our FWS webpage on our Sac State website for a list of important dates. Also located on the FWS webpage is a detailed guidebook for the student process of FWS. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to our office, the Student Service Center. We are located in Lassen Hall, room 1000. You can also reach out by phone at 916-278-1000 option 2 or on our website at csus.edu/ssc. Follow us on social media to stay updated. Our Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter handle is at Sac State SSC. If you have specific questions about Federal Work-Study, feel free to email sacstatefws@csus.edu. Stingers up!